The quadruped airplane is a fantastic exercise for beginning to learn how to move and control your pelvis tilting over your leg or your thigh bone. For this, you're going to need a yoga block, two in my case because they're thin, a stack of books, anything that you can use to elevate your knee off the ground and have it be comfortable for the duration of this exercise. This is done on all fours, again with one knee elevated off the ground, and I'll show you from the back view. Here, this piece of tape represents my thigh bone, and this piece of tape across my butt represents my pelvis, or the level of my pelvis. What I'll have you do is try to tap the floating knee towards the floor, and then lift it again away from the ground, tapping the floating knee down, lifting it away from the ground. Now, even though I'm cueing you through the knee, seen from the side, knee reaching for the floor, and then lifting. Even though I'm cueing you through the knee, what I want you to pay attention to are the two pieces of tape and how the angle changes. As I reach this floating knee for the floor, this angle closes. As I reach or pull this knee away from the floor, the angle opens. And this is what we're after. We want to feel and try to connect to some of the musculature around the pelvis and the thigh that are helping produce this movement. Also of note, if we only focus on the knee and getting it away from the ground, pay attention to the tape. What happens to the tape here? I begin lifting my knee. That angle starts to open it up. It stops. Maybe I begin to lean off to the side. My knee is still traveling away from the ground, but that angle between the thigh and the tape has not changed. So we're really focused again on opening this up. One way I can think of this is turning my belt buckle toward the inside of my right thigh here, and then trying to turn my belt buckle as far away from the inside of my right leg as I can, peeing on a fire hydrant like a dog. Right knee stays heavy in the blocks to help produce this movement. Seen from the side, the floating leg drops and lifts, drops and lifts. Also to note, particularly as we begin to lift and tilt and open that pelvis against the thigh, one common thing that I see is that the back will start to round, the tailbone will tuck under. We're really gripping through the butt cheek to produce this movement. Not necessarily a problem, but we do want to keep that open so that we can feel more of the side of butt muscles. And so we want to keep some length in the spine, a little lift in that tailbone. That way, as we open that pelvis away from the working leg, we're more likely to feel some of the side of butt muscles working for us. We can do this in sets and repetitions, like 1 or 2 or 3 sets of 8 repetitions. It's also perfectly valid to just get into it and explore and stop when you're a good 60, 70, 80% cooked. Take a rest, come back to it again if you like.